99.9% fail this. Like in question number 1, we have minus 3 power 2. So for this, the exponent first, which is 3 times 3, equal to 9. Then the negative sign. The second one, what we have in parentheses, minus 3 times minus 3, okay, which is equal to what? Plus 9, but the plus is invisible. That is minus times minus, 3 times 3. We move to number 3. We will apply the same concept, okay? Minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4, which is equal to minus times minus is plus. Plus times minus is what? Is minus. Now 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. So the answer is minus 64. We move to the fourth one, the exponent first, which is 4 times 4 times 4. It will give us 64. Then the negative sign. We move to the next one, exponent first. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 into 4 places. It will give us 16. Then the negative sign. We move to the last but not the least. We have minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, which is equal to minus times minus will give us plus, plus times minus will give us minus, minus times plus will give us what? Plus. You now multiply 2 into 4 places, it will give us 16. So that is it. You can practice this. This is number 1. You can as well practice this. Minus 5 power 2. You can as well practice this as well. If you find this my video useful, you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.